Back out to 13 ABC's Kelly Hydebrader, who is serving up some dishes here bright and early this morning so we can get some ideas for our big appetites. Kelly.
Lift your right foot up.
Hey, Tony, we are making some mac and cheese right here, of course, and Trevor Dieter's with me here with Dietz Barbecue. This is your own famous recipe, right?
It is. That's our curly mac and cheese.
Ooh, that's really
You got
good.
it.
Lots of special cheeses in there.
Can't tell you.
All right, I want to be a game day griller. How do I do that?
Got it. So we've got our St. Louis style ribs here. We've grilled off. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to get you saucy.
That's part of the initiation.
You
right
got
there.
it.
I
Yep.
have barbecue sauce on my shirt.
You got it. Do you know how to cut ribs?
Yeah, you've
That's all part
shown
of
me
it.
that.
So
We've been practicing.
you start. Wait a second. Wait a second. I told you you have to be initiated, right?
Right.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It's time for game day.
Seriously?
She's got
Oh
her
my
stripes,
God.
everybody. Cut! Come on, cut those ribs. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Are you kidding me?
She's a pro.
Woo! Oh. Da!
Yay!
Woo! Oh my God. So what if I can't do any of this at home? What, can you help me out?
We got you taken care of.
Okay, what do we do?
Call-in orders, you can call us 419-893-2335. You can walk in and pick them up, or you can call ahead.
Cheers. Who are you going
Cheers.
for? Who's your team today?
Whoever yours isn't.
Go Patriots. Back to you guys.
All right.